Rajendra. I'm a critical care consultant from Global Hospitals LB Nagar, Hyderabad. Uh, Now I will discuss about what the critical care is all about. Critical care is a super specialty branch of medicine which deals with the acutely ill patients, and they manage the long term complications of acute illness, and they support the organ systems when they fail. That means if heart is failing, kidney is failing, lung is not doing its work, blood is not doing its not in the normal limits, we take care of all these organ systems, support them for a while till the body starts functioning again. Then we shift the patients out of ICU. We, for this purpose, we take technological support like ventilators, dialysis machines, and other invasive and non-invasive monitoring systems to continuously beat to beat monitor the patient's heartbeat, blood pressure, urine output, sugars. All this we carefully monitor and titrate the treatment for those very sick patients. If you leave them to the nature, they will 100% die. But with this technology and the knowledge and the skills of critical care physicians, we could bring out lot of patients from the death. So if the patients come early, very early stage, the chances of recovery is good, and ICU stay and the cost also comes down. If they come very late, they will take long time because multiple organs simultaneously fail. So we have to make them function again with all the supports. So my message is, if the patient comes too early to the hospital, to the right place where the qualified critical care physicians are there round the clock who guards your patients, then the outcomes are better. ICU is nothing but intensive care unit. That means patient vitals are not functioning adequately for the keeping them alive. They are in the life-threatening situations of their life. So in ICU, what we do is we carefully monitor the patient for altered vital functions, and we support those vital functions. So ICU can be, the patients into the ICU can come from different places, directly from the community, like heart attack or stroke or accidents, poisoning, drowning, injuries, so many things with, and patient may be in infection, severe infection causing unconsciousness, so vomitings, diarrhea, all these patients, if they are, it's very severe, we need to monitor them closely. That can only happen in intensive care unit. So all those patients who get admitted ICU may not die because of our interventions. It's around 60 to 70% of the patients come out very well if they come early.